Stop struggling with blurry videos. We've all been there, trying to watch or create content only to be met with frustratingly unclear visuals. But don't worry, we're here to help you fix that. It's time to master the basics of video production. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refine your skills, understanding these fundamentals will elevate your content and make your content shine. High-quality visuals can captivate your audience and keep them engaged. All right, let's kick things off with resolution. This is one of the most crucial aspects of video quality. Ever heard of 720p, 1080p, or 4K? These terms refer to the resolution of your video. Simply put, resolution refers to the number of pixels in your video. The more pixels, the higher the resolution. More pixels mean sharper and clearer images. This is especially important for detailed scenes and professional content. So, if you want crystal clear content, go for 1080p or 4K. Next up, frame rates. This is another key element in video production. Frame rate refers to the number of frames per second, FPS, in your video. It determines how smooth your video looks. Common frame rates are 30 fps and 60 fps. Each has its own use case depending on the type of content you're creating. Higher frame rates give you smoother motion, which is perfect for action shots or gaming content where every detail matters. Now let's talk about aspect ratio. This is the width to height ratio of your video screen. The common ones are 16, 9 for widescreen, and 4, 3 for a more square look. Choosing the right aspect ratio is crucial for how your video is displayed. The common ones are 16, 9 for widescreen, and 4, 3 for a more square look. Choose based on your platform, like YouTube loves 16, 9. Now bitrate. Choose based on your platform, like YouTube loves 16, 9. Now bitrate. Bitrate is all about how much data is processed per second. It's all about how much data is processed per second. Higher bit rates mean better quality but larger file sizes. Higher bit rates mean better quality but larger file sizes. Finding the right balance is key to ensuring your video looks great without being too large to manage. Find that sweet spot for your needs. Compression is a biggie. Video codecs like H.264 and HEVC help reduce file size without losing too much quality. Video codecs like H.264 and HEVC help reduce file size without losing too much quality. This is essential for uploading or streaming. Essential for uploading or streaming. Lighting can make or break your video. Lighting can make or break your video. Good lighting can enhance the quality of your video significantly. Natural light is awesome, but artificial setups can work wonders too. Experiment with different lighting setups to see what looks best for your content. Experiment to see what looks best. Don't forget audio quality. Clear sound is crucial. Poor audio can ruin even the best visuals. Invest in a good microphone and keep your audio crisp. Editing software? There are many options to choose from. iMovie, Final Cut Pro, Adobe Premiere, DaVinci Resolve. All great choices. Each has its own strengths and learning curve. Start with what feels comfortable for you. Lastly, transitions. These can add a professional touch to your videos. Use hard cuts, fades, or wipes to enhance your storytelling. Just don't overdo it. Too many transitions can be distracting. And remember, always end with a strong call to action. Encourage your viewers to engage with your content. Like, comment, and subscribe if you found this helpful. Happy creating! With these basics, you're well on your way to producing amazing videos.